Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Throttleage. Today we are doing something very close to our heart. We have always wanted to do something for the society as a whole while giving the best products to our clients. So today's episode is a little different. We have decided to rebuild and donate a bike for charity. We have thus tied up with an NGO called as Ritinjali in Delhi, and we have pledged to give all proceeds from the sale of the bike to Ritanjali. A little about Ritanjali and what they do. They bring hope where there is none. Their core belief is that education and skill development serve as powerful keys to unlock opportunities, paving the path towards improved life quality. A little about the bike. It's a Royal Enfield which is about 10 years old, first rebuilt by Rajputana Customs as a custom project and then refurbished by Pathpavers in the last couple of months. This bike we are putting up on auction for anyone who may feel this is a good bike for them. The bike is in perfect condition and all proceeds of the bike that we shall get shall be donated to Ritanjali. We are very excited to help them with some funds to help them achieve their goals and help more children. We have kept the starting bid at 50,000 rupees and the auction will be up and running for a time of 10 days. So please come forward and support us with this auction. Thank you everyone for watching our episode, and we look forward to some solid bids on this bike that we've made.